sir.
Yes, sir. For checking temperature.
To check the temperature of our body.
Sir, in my book it's first level.
So here the first device is what? Which is the first device? Here it is given as per. So here which is the first device? It is given as per the alphabetical order, A B C D, like that, right? Yes, accumulator. So what do you mean by accumulator? Tell me. Huh. So what do you mean by accumulator? Does anyone know? Yes. So here let us see that now. So accumulator is used to store electrical energy. So can everyone hear me properly? Is it audible? Oh, the mic is off. Okay. So is it audible, everyone? Yes.
Sir,
So okay. So is it audible now? Okay. So accumulator. The first device is accumulator. So accumulator is used to store electric energy. You may have seen rechargeable battery, right? Rechargeable
sir.
battery will be there. So rechargeable battery is in your phone, laptop, everywhere, right? Nowadays everywhere rechargeable battery is there, right? Lithium ion battery. So those are all lithium ion or some other ions batteries are there. So those are all rechargeable batteries, we say it as so rechargeable battery we say it as chargeable or rechargeable, both are same. So rechargeable battery we say it as accumulator. What do we say? We say it as accumulator. Okay. So it stores what? Electric energy, that is electricity. You have to put it to the charge, right? So that is electric energy. So a battery, that is rechargeable battery or power bank, we may use power bank for charging, right, for the mobile. So those are all are what? Accumulators. So to store the electric energy. Got it? What is accumulator? Understood? Okay. So next is altimeter. What is next?
That is power bank.
So accumulator is different, that is power bank. Okay. So next is altimeter. Altimeter is used to measure altitude, that is mainly used in aircrafts. Altitude means what? The height, okay, in the atmosphere. So if this is surface, if this is our earth, this is the surface we are standing on, okay. So above this, if there is a plane, let's consider there is a plane flying, okay. So this plane is how much height? That is the altitude. What is that? Altitude, that is how much height it is. So that is the altitude. To measure the altitude or the height, which device we use? We use altimeter. What do we use? We use the altimeter. This is the altimeter. So this is mainly in feet, okay. So this measure is mainly in feet. So there are three what? There are three, you may see there are three dials are there, right? So first dial measures 100 meter, okay. One dial measure 100 feet, that is in feet, 100 feet. Next dial measures 1000 feet, and then the third dial measures in 10,000 feet, like our time.
Cannot see a
Yes.
screen.
Is it not visible to everyone? Is it
Yes,
visible?
sir, it is blur.
So here, okay, so you have to join once again, fine. So here one measures, like our time watch will be there, right? Like our watch time will be there, like that. So one measures in minute, next in seconds, first is second, minute and hour. So like that here also one measures in 100 feet, 1000 feet and 10,000 feet, how much height it is the aircraft is flying, okay. Got it? Yes. Plane, aeroplane. Aircraft means aeroplane. So altimeter is used to measure the altitude, that is the height. Which device is used to measure the altitude?
Altimeter.
Altimeter, okay, that is to measure the height. Yes.
Altimeter. Sir,
Hmm.
I have a doubt, sir.
What?
Multimeter used for only aircraft, sir, or can we like
Mainly, no, everywhere we can use in our hand also. If you go on a mountain, and if you want to measure the height, you can use. So mainly they use in aircraft, okay, because aircraft will be flying high, isn't it,
yes, sir.
every time? So that is why. Okay,
Okay, sir.
got it. Next is ammeter. So can you see this electric wires are there, right? So ammeter is used for what? To measure the strength of electric current, that is measure current flow. So how much current is going? So electric current, to measure the electric current, how much current is flowing, right? How much current is flowing? So which device we use? We use ammeter. What do we use?
Meter.
Ammeter. Okay, got it. Good. So
Ammeter.
ammeter is used for what? To measure the
And electric current.
current flow. Okay,
Electric current.
good.
Measure current.
So yes, so that is used for to measure the current flow, ammeter. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next is anemometer. Why do we use anemometer? To measure the
The
wind.
force and velocity
Yes.
of the wind.
So you can consider velocity as speed. So velocity of the, or the speed of the wind means air. Air speed, to measure the air speed, and direction. Force means direction, to measure the direction and speed of air. So we use what? We use anemometer. Why do we use anemometer? To measure the
Action
direction and speed of air.
Direction
Understand?
and speed of wind.
Wind or air. Okay, got it. Good.
Okay,
So that is why we use the anemometer. So if you see here in the diagram, yes, in this diagram, if you see this, when the direction, when the wind comes inside, what happens? It gets through this. So this rotates. What it does? It rotates. What it does? It rotates. Can you see the mouse? Yes, that is, it is visible, right? Mouse is visible, I think. Yes,
Yes,
mouse is visible. Huh? Yes, mouse is visible. So here, when it rotates, what happens? It shows the direction and the speed. Okay, anemometer is used to measure what? Direction and speed of the air, that is wind direction and speed. Got it? Good.
sir.
So next is audiometer. Audio means what? Sound. Audio means sound.
Sound measures
So
the intensity of
measure the
sound.
intensity of the sound. Intensity means how much loud, how much soft, right? That is how much loud it is. So to measure that, we use audiometer, means
Sir, can
sound.
you say the like it's
Yes,
audible like that?
yes, audible or not, like that. To measure the how much loud it is, how much slow it is, to measure that intensity means that. So to measure the sound, what do we use? Audiometer. What do we use?
Audio.
Audiometer. So audiometer is used to what? Measure the sound. Okay, understand? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So any doubt here?
No, sir.
No doubts? Okay, so this is the audiometer. It is used to measure the sound. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
should we go next now? That is barometer.
Yes, sir.
So you may have seen this barometer. So barometer is used to for what?
Yes, sir. It
That
is
is
used to measure
measure
the
the atmospheric
atmospheric
pressure.
pressure.
Ha. So barometers, okay. So you may have seen barometer, okay. So barometer, this is one of the barometer. I have taken this example. It is little different, okay. So it is measured to use the atmospheric pressure, but tire will be there. Have you seen the tire when you inflate it? Inflate means put the air, right? When you inflate, put the air, they bring one device and they will check how much pressure it is, right, for the tire, isn't it? That is one of the barometer only. So it is used to measure the how much pressure is there in the air, right? So in the tire, okay. So that is also a barometer only. So but barometer mainly is used for
Excuse me, sir.
to measure the pressure, okay.
Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
tell me.
Barometer we use for cars, sir.
Yeah, yes, this barometer is can be used for car,
Sir,
tire, everything,
bike.
to inflate the tire and check how much pressure it is or the air, right? So you may have
Also
seen
we
on
can
the
use.
Sir,
what?
it will be there while
What?
bike also we can use.
Yes, bike, car, everything. Where is the tire? Wherever you use tractor, everything, right? So to
Sir,
measure
it will
the
be there
pressure,
in petrol bunk, sir.
yes,
Where
petrol
the
pump or wherever
air
the
will be
you
tightened.
put the so that is barometer you use for the car and the bike to measure the how much air pressure is there, right? Okay, good. Next is what?
Binoculars, sir.
Binoculars means what? Distant object means long distance object, okay. So if it is long, if you want to see that, what you will use? You will use
Zoom,
the
sir.
binocular, yes, that will zoom and it will be visible to you, okay. Very good. So that is we use the binoculars to measure the, that is to see the, or to see means view, to see the long distance object. So this boy is seeing the long distance object, right? Long objects, understand? To zoom it and see, okay. Good, fine. So that is binoculars, okay. Next is cardiograph. What is cardiograph? To recording the heart muscle activity. So you may have seen in the hospital, right? In the ICU hospital, so this device will be there. So this device is used to measure the heart activity, that is heartbeat and all, okay. Got it? What do we say it as? We
Sir,
say it
it
as
will go up and down,
cardio,
sir.
yes, cardiogram. Can you see here? It is there up and down, right? So cardiogram. So what
No,
is
sir, it's
cardiogram?
not. It's not a bit clear.
It is not bit clear, but you got it, right? It will be there in hospital and the ICU,
Yes,
and you may have seen in the
yes,
movies,
sir.
right? That's it. So
I
that
have
is
seen
what?
everything created in
Cardiogram.
video.
What is that? That is cardiogram. What is that? That
Cardio.
is so that is
Cardio.
cardiogram, okay. Good. So remember that, okay. Understand? Good. So that is cardiogram. So next should we go? That is dynamo. You may have heard of dynamo or motor. Have you heard of motor? Electric motor? That will be electric, right?
Yes, sir.
So what it does? Water, electric water motor, right?
Mechanical
Water,
or
yes.
hydropower.
Ha, yes, that is good, okay.
Sir,
So listen here. So what happens is this electric motor is what? Pumping the water. What it is doing? It is taking the power from the electric wires, that is from the current, right? And then it is converting the what? It is taking the current and converting it into what? Pumping the water, right? That is mechanical energy, okay. So but dynamo, what dynamo does? It does opposite. What it does? It does opposite, that is it converts the mechanical energy into electric energy. You may have seen in that when if water is falling from the height, and then if you place the dynamo here, right? So water is falling, so this will be converted into electric energy. What it will be? Electrical energy. So it is using by dynamo. What it is? Using dynamo, okay. So from the height, if it is falls, got it. So dynamo uses the mechanical energy into converted into electrical energy. And this, if you see here, this one, so water, electric water motor will be there, that converts current into mechanical energy, okay. So that is dynamo converts mechanical energy from the height. You may have seen in the dams and all, right? So there we produce the electricity. So that is using by dynamo. So what is dynamo? Tell me. Converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. What it does? It converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. हाँ
Mechanical energy.
हाँ, opposite of our electric motor,
Then it is
water motor, right?
mechanical.
हाँ, that is opposite of that. Yes.
Sir, it will be there in village.
Mechanical energy means any power, right? Is it?
Sir, your screen is blur.
Okay, so is it visible to everyone clearly? Huh? Yes. Tell me, is it visible
No,
now?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh. Maybe you may be having a internet issue. Okay. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Wait, wait, wait. Don't worry, wait. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Don't worry. Okay. So it will be visible now. Don't worry. Is it visible now clearly? Yes. Fine.
No,
Is
No,
it
sir,
fine
it
now?
is seen.
no, sir.
Not, it
Hmm?
is not.
No, sir.
Yes, sir, we
Okay.
can see a little bit.
Yes, yes, yes. Everyone, be silent. Be silent.
No, sir.
Yes. Okay, fine. Enough silence. So is it visible now? Tell me.
No, sir.
The problem, okay, okay, you may be having the internet issue problem. Okay, if your internet is proper, it will be visible clearly. Okay, so I think you may be facing a problem. Okay, so fine, let me check in my phone only. Okay, wait.
Sir, it's visible. Now it is
Yes,
visible.
is it visible? Okay, fine, fine enough. Okay, good. So it is visible for me also in my mobile. Okay, let's go to the next concept, that is fathometer. So what do we use for fathometer? That is, you may have heard of sonar. Have you heard of sonar?
Yes, sir, I have heard of
Sonar is same as fathometer. It is a one type of fathometer.
to
Yes,
measure the ocean depth.
yes, yes. Okay, so fathometer is used to measure the ocean depth. You may have seen in the what, ships and all, right? It will be there in ships. So with the sound, yes, with the sound wave, with the sound wave, what it does, it detects the height of the sea, that is the depth of the sea. Okay, how much deep it is. Understand? This is the pathometer. Got it? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, good.
No, sir.
Good. So that is the fathometer. Understand? Good. So it is clearly visible, isn't it? It is clearly visible for me.
Yes, sir.
So fathometer. Next is gramophone. Have you heard of gramophone? Yes?
Yes,
Ha. So gramophone is
Yes,
what?
sir.
Ha. So if you see here in the picture, it will be easy to remember, right? Yes. Yes. So it is what?
sir, I've seen a gramophone in real life.
Is it? Okay, good. Good.
Yes, sir.
So what, you may have seen this in movies, right? You may have seen in these movies. So this is the gramophone. Okay, yes, CDs. Okay, good. So this CDs will be placed here, recorded device to reproduce the recorded sound, CDs. So this CDs recorded sound will be reproduced. Okay, so that is gramophone. Understand? Okay, should we go next? That is hygrometer. What is hygrometer?
Measure the
Yes,
humidity or the amount of water vapor in the air.
yes. So you may have seen when it rains or before the rain, you will feel so much heat, right? When before rain, isn't it? You will be sweating so much, right? Sweat will come. Yes. So that is because of the humidity. What is that? Because it is because of the humidity. So that is how much water is there, how much water content is there in the air. So to measure that, so inside the air, how much water content is there, to measure that, what do we use? Tell me. We use hygrometer. What do we use?
Sir, how
We
to
use hygrometer. Yes, tell me.
sir
Hmm.
measure the water vapor means will this instrument count the water vapor, sir?
No, no. So what it does is, this here it will be what? there will be cloth. This cloth, what it will be, it will be wet. Okay, so what will happen, it will get dry. Okay, depending on that, when it gets dry, and this is dry bulb. Okay, so there is no cloth, right? This is dry bulb we say, and this is wet bulb we say. Okay, so that cloth gets dries. So after that, how much time and all, that is measured, different story. Okay, so that is how hygrometer works. Okay.
Okay, sir. Excuse
Ha,
me, sir.
fine. Yes,
Sir,
tell me.
I have that hydrometer. Shall I show it, sir?
Okay, let it be. Okay, so modern, now modern, right? So this is how modern day hygrometers look like. That is, it is all what, digital. Okay, fine, digital
Sir,
hygrometer,
I have
modern.
this one.
Okay, is it old
Yes,
one you
sir.
have? Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, you can show it, show it then. You, do you have now, or you have to get it? We will cover the next. Okay, so that is lactometer. Lactose means that is milk, right? So it is related to milk. So an instrument that is used to check the purity of the milk, measuring the density. So you may have seen, so some people put water in the
Sir,
milk,
we'll check
right?
the degree.
Yes, so you may have seen they put the water in the milk. So to check
Yes,
how
sir.
much pure it is,
Then
how much pure it
hydrometer
is, what do we use? We use lactometer. To check the purity of the milk, what do we use? Tell me. We use lactometer.
lactometer.
So what do we use? We use lactometer. Understand?
Lactometer.
Okay, good. Show it to everyone, beta. Yes?
Sir,
Can you
should I
show?
show it,
Switch on the
sir?
video. Yes, show it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So next after lactometer is what? That is microscope. You may have seen in the science lab, right? In your science lab. So this is microscope. It is used to zoom. Magnify means zoom. We can see very very small minute objects, that is particles or organisms and all, right? So it is used to
Like,
zoom. It will zoom nearly around 50 to 100 times, right? 50 to
yes, sir.
100 times. Okay, it will zoom. So there are
Sir,
electronic
even like
microscope. Okay. Ha.
microorganisms
So
we can see.
yes, electronic
Sir, like
microscope, it
microscope
will
also
zoom
have.
nearly around, it will zoom nearly around what? It will zoom nearly around 100 to 1000x, 100 to 1000 times bigger it will make, right? So
Yes,
that
sir.
is electronic microscope. You can check about it. Okay, good. Should you go
An
next?
example, sir.
Ha.
Example like it is leaves tomato.
Yes. So have you seen in the lab? Yes.
Sir, even I saw it, sir, in
Okay, very good.
images.
Very good. So let's go to the next now. Okay. So mariner's compass, that is used in the ship. Marine means in the ship. Okay. So this shows what direction in which they are going. Sailing means going. The ship is going. Okay. So can you see this? There will be a needle. Okay. Like this, there will be a
Yes,
needle.
sir.
So north and south it will show, and this will show what? That is the direction, or that is the north or south. Okay.
Sir,
Fine.
I
So
have
this,
compass.
you may be having compass in your ship, that is home, right? So this, there will be a needle like this, and it will show north and south. So the other direction will be east and west. Okay, so you can
West,
identify like that.
north is northwest, south is
Huh.
southwest.
Yes, so always the magnet, if you have a magnet, if you hang it, if you have a magnet, if you hang it using the thread, what it will show? It will show north and south direction, right? It will always hang in the north and south direction. Okay, good. So that is about compass. Compass is used to know the direction, that is north, south, east, west. Okay, got it? So
Yes,
compass
sir.
is used for what? To know the direction. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. Should you go next? That is microphone, mic. I will always say switch on the mic, microphone. So it is used to what? Convert the sound into electrical waves and magnify the sound. Right? Yes. So here you may have seen, if you switch on the mic, I am able to hear your sound and you are now hearing my sound. So what, how is it? Right, my sound becomes electrical what, wave, that is electrical signal, and it travels to you and then you hear it, right? That is, it is again converted into vibrations, and then what happens, those vibrations you hear it and you what, make it as a sound, isn't it? So it is because of possible, because of what, because of the mic, right? It is only possible because of the mic. Okay, got it? Good.
Yes, sir.
So that is,
Sir,
ha, it will be visible, don't worry, it will be visible, don't worry. Is it visible now? Yes, okay, good. Hmm.
In car, it will be there. No, that only, no, sir. This
uh,
in car, it will be there. No, that
yes,
only.
odometer, yes, in the car, in the bike it will be there, right? So odometer means to measure the distance, how much the car or bike has gone, traveled, right? How much it has traveled, distance, right? So to measure the distance,
Yes,
what
sir.
do we use? We use odometer. This here, can you see here, right? This is the
Yes, sir.
odometer. Okay, what, this is the
Sir,
odometer. So
can
distance
can
covered
we
by
check
the vehicle.
the
Okay, yes, to measure the distance covered by the vehicle. So what do we use to cover, measure the distance covered by the vehicle? Odometer. Okay, got it?
sir, we will tell mileage.
Ha, yes, that is what. Okay, so next is periscope. So periscope is what, why do we use periscope? To see, you may have seen in your science book, right? So it is optical
Sir,
instrument, enables observer to see the surrounding while remaining under the cover or submerged. So there is one ship, you are in submarine.
submership to see
Yes.
up.
So you may have heard of submarine. Submarine will be under the water, right? Yes.
Sir,
So
sometimes
if you want to
from
see,
telescope,
yes,
only we will see that.
so if you want to see what is there on above or surface, what you will use? You will use periscope. This is the periscope. Okay. So what is this? This is the periscope. Okay. So if you want to see what is there above or surrounding, we use periscope. Okay. So that is the periscope. Understand? Good. Next is pyrometer. You may have seen during the coronavirus time, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Coronavirus time. This is the pyrometer. So it is used to measure the temperature. Yes, in the schools, in the hospitals, everywhere it was used, right? To measure the temperature without touching the object surface. What it will? Yes. So it will point
Sir,
to you and then it will measure the temperature. Okay, temperature on object without touching the object. Understand? Got it?
yes,
So
sir.
without touching, okay, without
Yes,
touching
sir.
the object surface. So that is pyrometer. Understand? Next is
Yes, sir.
photometer. Why do we use? Photo means light. Photo means what? Light. So photometer is used to measure the intensity of light. Intensity means how much light is there, how much light, low light, high light, right? So that is light intensity. How much light is there, how much light is there. To measure the light, what do you use? Use photometer. Understand? So to measure the light, what do we use? Use the photometer. Okay, got it? Good. So next, should we go? That is radar. You may have seen radars, right? So that is aeroplane and all, that is military application, and in the what, astronomy, right? To receive the signal, to receive the signal from the satellite also, right? So those are all, so many places radars is used. Okay, yes. So here if you see, This is what? One of the radar. Okay. Hmm. So radars is use the radio waves to determine the distance and direction of the distant object. Okay, so if you have a military, right, so there is one plane flying, if you want to check it, what you will use? You will use radar to check the distance on the surface. So if this is surface of the earth and here is radar, okay, here radar is placed. Okay, so radar, what it will measure? It will measure the distance of this plane, aeroplane. Okay, so
Yes, of the plane.
so that is how radars is used, so to measure the distance and direction of the object,
Plane.
plane or anything, whatever it is. Okay, understand? Generally planes and all, aircrafts, or yes, that is also we use for what? uh, Rocket, right? So when the rocket is going up and all. Okay, good. So next is rain gauge. Rain gauge is used to measure what?
Sorry.
Rainfall. How much
Rainfall is
rainfall?
per
Yes.
time
Huh.
in the tutorial
So
section.
how much rainfall it is, to measure that, what do we use? We use the rain gauge. Okay, so amount of water, that is rainfall for a period of time. Okay, in one day, in 1 hour, and like that. Okay,
Where your
got it?
voice is
So
Sir,
echoing, right?
sir,
Hmm.
your voice
Sir,
breaking.
your
Okay,
voice is echoing.
Sir,
okay,
your
fine.
voice is
Echoing.
breaking, sir.
Okay, fine, 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 fine. So someone's voice is that is noise, that is mic is problem, right? So that is why. Okay, next is salinometer. What is salinometer? Saline, you may have heard of saline. Saline water, saline water means
Potassium.
that is
Wow.
salt water, right? Salt content, so to measure the salinity of the solution, right? Okay, fine.
Sir,
So here,
how many salt is
so how much salt is there in the water? So you may have seen sea water, right? Sea water will be saline, that is salt water. So how much saline it is, how much salt water, that is, if it is very high, it is very difficult, right? That is to go and all, so you will feel irritation. So that is to measure the salinity, means salt, to measure the salt or sea water.
Sir,
Okay,
like that if we
that is
decrease
how.
the density,
Yes.
thing will break, sir. Calometer.
Okay, yes, okay. So salinometer, no beta, that will not break. Salinometer is used to measure the salt and sea water, how much it is salty. Okay, good. So next is seismograph. You may have, we have already studied seismograph. Yes, isn't it? Seismograph is used for what? Seismograph is used to measure the earthquake, right? Yes, to know the earthquake, measure the earthquake. Okay, good. Next is speedometer. What do we use for speedometer for?
To
sir?
check the vehicle
To
speed.
check the speed. Yes, to indicate the speed at which vehicle is moving, right? Car,
Speed at which
bike and
vehicle
all.
is
Yes,
moving.
very good.
Meter.
So to
Sir, to
measure
check
the
the
speed. Okay, good, very good. So that is to measure the speed, we use speedometer. So that is kilometer per hour, right? How much kilometer? 60 kilometer 1 hour, or 80
Sir, I
kilometer,
have
like that.
thermometer.
Okay, good, good. So next is spigo.
Sir,
Okay, okay, let it be.
sir, I
Many
have
of you may have seen thermometer, right? Okay, good. So if you see here, okay, fine, be silent. Yes, sphygmomanometer is used to measure the BP, that is blood pressure.
pressure.
Sphygmomanometer. What do we say? Sphygmomanometer.
It is
Sphygmomanometer.
manometer.
So monitor blood pressure, BP. Okay. So you may have seen they put on your what? Yes. On your arm, and they put the pressure, right, by pressing on the bulb. Okay, so that is how they measure the blood pressure. Understand? Okay, good. So be silent, don't make much noise, not many of the students should speak. Okay, got it? Good.
Yes, sir.
So there are around 32 students, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so once again I am telling, so here at the end don't leave, at the end don't leave, I will take the attendance. Okay, so without telling the attendance, if you leave, you will not be considered present. So you have to tell the attendance, then only leave. I am telling now only. Okay, got it? Good.
Okay, sir.
Sphygmomanometer is done. Next is stethoscope. What do we use stethoscope for? To heartbeat, right? Yes, to meet heartbeat, right, to measure the heartbeat, to check the heartbeat. Okay, yes, very good. So lungs, right? Yes, to also measure the what, lungs sound. Okay, to hear the lungs sound we use stethoscope. It is mainly used by whom? Doctors, isn't it? Next is telescope. You may have seen telescope. Why do we use? Observe the distance object, right? That is planets, stars. Yes, very good. So to see the Jupiter and all planets and stars, we use what? Yes, telescope, to see in the night sky, right? So you may have seen, this is the telescope. Okay, got it? Any doubt for anyone? Yes, no doubts? Okay, good. So be silent, and here, okay, be silent, don't make much noise. Okay, got it? Good. So next is thermometer. Why do we use thermometer? Tell me. To measure the temperature. So mainly body temperature, right? Body temperature,
Body temperature.
you may have seen, this is to measure the body temperature. Okay, at 8:30. Okay, understand? So it will end at 8:30. Good, be silent. So listen here, so body temperature, this is mainly used for body temperature, to measure the body temperature. Okay, so to measure the temperature, in if you have fever, what it will be? In the fever you will feel very high temperature, right? Like that. Okay, good. So next is thermostat. Why do you use thermostat? To keep the temperature at regular point, right? So you may have seen AC, right? So AC and all, what it does, it keeps the temperature. If you put at 17 degrees Celsius, it will keep at 17 degrees Celsius, isn't it? Or your fridge, yes, fridge will keep at what? If you keep it at 0 degree Celsius, it will keep at 0 degree Celsius. That is the thermostat, right? That is the device which keeps the temperature at particular point, means particular degree, 17 degree or 0 degree, like that. So thermostats regulates the temperature or keeps the temperature at particular point. That is, it will be in ACs or fridge, like that. Okay, got it? What is thermostat? Understood?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes,
Sir, can it
yes, tell me.
can it heat the room, sir?
Can I?
Instead of cooling, can it heat the room, sir? Instead of cooling.
Yes, yes, it can heat also, right? You, whatever means, the AC will not heat the room. Okay, but some other, like you may have seen electric induction, right? Have you seen electric induction, or the istri iron,
Yes, sir.
iron box, right? Iron box, right?
Yes, sir.
Iron box, it will heat. If you keep in the iron box, if you keep, there will be different readings, cotton, nylon, those are all, right? What it will do, it will regulate the temperature, it will keep at a what, or heater, your heater, it will automatically get off, right? Iron box and all. So that is how the regulator, that is thermostats, regulate the what? Temperature. Okay, got it? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No doubts? Okay, good. So this is about thermostat. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now we'll solve the questions here. Okay, fine. Hmm. So here let us see the questions. No. We'll solve. These are just 6 to 7 questions are there. Then the book, the guide book is there, right? No. We'll do it. Okay. So listen. With the help of which instrument density of the milk is known? Density of milk. Which instrument do we use?
Lactometer.
Yes, lactometer. Which option it is? Option C. Okay. So let us see the other hygrometer. Hydrometer. Why do we use hydrometer?
Sir, to
Yes.
see the density in the air. Wind.
Uh-huh.
To see the humidity in air.
Yes. Hydrometer is used to measure what? Uh, huh. Okay. So lactometer is used. Okay. Hydrometer, that is hygrometer. Hygrometer is different. Hygrometer is different. Okay. Okay. Good. So that is barometer. Why do you use barometer? Tell me. To measure the pressure. Okay. Good.
Even speedometer, sir.
Huh. Yes.
Speedometer.
So this is hydrometer is different. It is used to measure the density of any liquid. Okay. Any liquid means like what? You can take any liquid. Okay. Like oil, or you can take what? That is ghee. Those are all things to measure the density of any liquid. But particular in milk means milk density means lactometer. Milk is also liquid, isn't it? Yes, we use lactometer. Why do you use anemometer? Yes, tell me. To measure the speed of what? Speed of air or wind. That is wind, isn't it?
Wind.
Yes, speed of air or wind. Okay, all the options you should know. Understand? So lactometer is the answer here. So next question, second, which device is used to measure the speed of the vehicle? Which we use? Speedometer. We use speedometer. Okay. Good, very good. So speedometer is used to measure the speed or velocity of the vehicle. Okay, good. So next is third. What measures by barometer? What do we measure by barometer? We just now told. Yes, atmospheric pressure. That is pressure. Atmospheric pressure. Okay, good,
It
very good.
measures
Yes. So next question, let us see. That is fourth one. What is measured by anemometer? What do we measure by anemometer? I just now told.
wind
Sir,
speed.
Wind speed. We use to measure the wind speed. Good. Next, fifth question. Galvanometer is used to measure what? Galvanometer is used to measure the electric current. Okay. Current. We use it for measure the current. So which option it is? Option C, electric current. We use to measure the current. Okay, remember that, galvanometer. Okay, next is sixth question. So fathometer is used to measure what? Fathometer, yes,
Ocean depth,
depth of the ocean,
sir.
right? Depth of the ocean. Okay, very good. Okay, understood? Any doubt here? Tell me.
Sir.
No doubts? Okay, good. We'll solve some more questions. Okay. Open it, don't worry. Okay, so the page number is Z43. So let us go to the first question here. Which of the following instrument is used to measure the altitude? Which instrument do we use to measure the altitude? Altimeter, right? Option C. Okay, so audiometer. Why do we use audiometer? Sound, to measure the intensity of the sound. Barograph. Barograph is also pressure. Barometer, barograph. Okay, so it is the pressure. Okay, bolometer. Bolometer, there is no such thing as bolometer. Okay, got it? So let's go to the next question, second question. So what is the second question here? Dash is used to measure the strength of electric current. Electric current, current, to measure the current, ammeter. Why do we use ammeter? Okay. So next option B is anemometer. Why do we use anemometer? Speed of air or wind. Okay. So photometer. Why do we use photometer? To measure the light.
Light or
Right?
air.
Ha. Good. So next is third question. So what is the third question? Anemometer. Why do you use
Anemometer
anemometer?
is used to measure the force and electricity.
Yes, to measure the force and electricity of the wind. Okay. Got it? Good. Good. So let's go to the next question now. Fourth one. So what is the fourth question here? Which instrument is used to improving the imperfect sense of hearing? So to hear, if you are not, it is not audible, we use a device. So which device is that? Ha, Audiphone. Which device you use? Use Audiphone. Okay. Yes, audiophone. Okay, good. So if you see calorimeter, calorimeter is used to measure the caloric cardiogram. Cardiogram is right our heart diagram, right? That is not diagram, means heartbeat, right? Heartbeat diagram. So that is different. Dynamo is the motor, that is to convert mechanical energy, opposite of motor. That is not the answer. So which will be the answer then? Audiophones. Okay. Audiophones is used to measure, that is to improve our hearing. Okay. So fifth question, which scientific device is used to measure the intensity of sound? Which we use? Audiometer. So option is option A. Okay, got it? Good. Next, sixth question. So here dash is used to continuous recording atmospheric pressure. What do we use atmospheric pressure to measure the atmospheric pressure? Barograph. Okay, barometer, barograph. Barograph is used to measure the barometer is used to measure the atmospheric pressure, and barograph is
So what is the first
that
one and
draws.
answer?
So the first one is, that is option is C beta, that is altimeter, right? Option C,
Not the
altimeter.
first one, fifth one.
Fifth one is audiometer. Okay, option C. Got it? Good. So our Sainik GK, Sainik guide is there, right? Sainik guide, Sainik guide. Okay,
Answer of the third one.
page number G43. Okay, good. So third one and all I cannot tell now beta, so last time telling. Okay, third is fourth. So measure the force and velocity of wind. Okay, got it? Good. Ha. So sixth is also done. Now seventh question, dash is used to view the distance object. If they are far away, what do we use? We use binoculars, right? We use binoculars. Okay, good. Good. Next is eighth question. So eighth question is, which instrument is used to quantity of heat? What do we use for to measure the heat? Tell me. It is calorimeter. What? Calorimeter, right? We use the calorimeter to measure the heat. Understand? Calorimeter. Remember that. Okay. So if you see, we can go with the options and remove it. Cardiogram is heartbeat diagram. Okay, heartbeat diagram. Right? So not the answer. Okay. Next, eudiometer. There is no such thing as eudiometer, manometer. No. So calorimeter is used to measure the quantity of heat. Okay, got it? Good. So next, ninth question, which device is used to detect the pressure of an electric charge, presence of an electric charge, current, right? Current or electric charge. So what do we use? Galvanometer. What do we use? We use galvanometer. Okay, good, very good. Yes.
Electro
Ha, galvanometer. Okay, good. Next is 10th question. An endoscope is used for what? Endoscope. Okay.
To the ocean.
Ha.
Excuse me, sir, your voice
So
is breaking.
is it examine the internal parts of the body? So so that is the answer. Okay, endoscope is used to measure the what, that is see the internal body parts. Our body parts will be there, right? Internal parts of the body, inside our body, what is there. So what do we use? We use endoscope. Okay, got it? Good. So next is 11th question. Which of the following scientific instrument is used to measure the depth of the ocean? So to measure the depth, what do we use? Fathometer. What do we use? We use fathometer. Understand? Very good. Next is what? Next question is 12th one. So what is the question? Dash is used to measure electric low magnitude. Okay, okay, good. So to measure the electric current, what do we use? Current measuring. Yes, galvanometer. Okay, got it? Any doubt for anyone? Let me know. So no doubts, right? These are easy questions, right? Direct questions. So next is 13th question. Which of the following is used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy? Dynamo, right? Dynamo is not dynamometer, it is only dynamo. Okay, so that is option C. Okay, got it? Good. Next is 14th question. So here, which instrument is used in hospital to trace the movement of heart, record the cardiograph? Yes, cardiogram. Yes, that is cardiogram. Okay. Cardiogram. So stethoscope is only to hear the sound, right? There will be no graph and all, right? So but if you see in the question, instrument used to trace the movement of the heart to record the cardiograph. Graph will be there, right? So that is cardiogram. Okay, stethoscope is only to hear, that will be only in the hand of a doctor, right? So there will be no cardiograph, that is there, it will not give graph. So that is why cardiogram, right? I just now shown in here, right? There will be like this going, right, in the ICU and all. That is cardiogram. Okay, good. Next is 15th question. So what is the 15th question? Which of the following is wrongly matched? Audiometer measure the intensity of sound, it is correctly matched. Binoculars to view the distance object, it is also correctly matched. Odometer to measure the electric resistance of ohm, no, this is wrong, right? This is wrongly matched. So answer is what? Odometer. Okay, good. So many of the students are what, switching on the mic, right? That is why the problem. So I will switch off for some time, be silent. Okay, so here odometer is used for what? To measure the distance covered by the vehicle, distance covered, right, by vehicle. So that we use odometer, right? So that is different. Okay, so that is wrongly matched, odometer is wrongly matched. Okay, good. So next option D is cardiograph, instrument used for making a graph of the heart's action. Yes, cardiograph, that is also rightly matched. Okay, good. So wrongly matched is odometer, option C. Understand? Any doubt here? Ah, okay, is it? Good. So name of the apparatus used to guide the sailors in the ship, that is mariner's compass. Option C. Yes, mariner's compass. Option is option C, mariner's compass. Next, 17th question. So which instrument is used to measure the high temperature? Which we use? Ah, okay. That is pyrometer. We use pyrometer, not hygrometer, right? Pyrometer we use. Okay, got it? So to measure the high temperature, what do we use? We use pyrometer. Okay, good. So should we go next question? Hygrometer is used to measure the humidity, isn't it? Humidity. Okay, lactometer is density of milk. Okay, ammeter is current. Okay, so pyrometer is high heat, right? Temperature. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next is 18th question. So 18th question, if you see, which instrument is used to measure the humidity in air? I just now told.
Hygrometer.
Hygrometer. Option is option D. Okay, hygrometer. Got it? Next, 19th question. Which of the following is used to measure the purity of milk? Yes, lactometer. Okay, good. That is lactometer. Option is option B. Okay, next is 20th question. Which of the following is used to observe the distance object in space? Space is telescope, stars and planets, right? Good. Telescopes. Good.
Yes, sir.
Next is 21, is used to view the object above the sea level, used in submarines. So that is, we know, already told, periscope, like this it will be there, right, to measure the view the object, right, in the water or anything. So periscope.
Our eyes, sir.
Yes, what?
How the submersible we could see it with our eyes.
Okay, okay, fine. Yes, anything, tell me. Yes, someone called me. Yes, mainly navy officers in the submarines and all, right? Okay, okay, fine. Okay, got it. Any doubts here? No doubts. Hmm. So let's go to the next question now. That is
Sir, what was
22
the
question.
21st answer?
21st is periscope. Okay, option A. Next, let us go to the 22 question. So which of the following techniques is used to detect the direction and range approaching aeroplane by means of radio microwaves? So what do we use? We use radar, right? Radar or radar, whatever, okay, you can pronounce. Got it? Good. So next is 23. Which instrument is used to measure the temperature?
Thermometer.
Thermometer. Thermometer is option C is correct. That is thermometer. Okay. Got it? Good. Next is 24th question. So what is it? Which device converts energy, that is mechanical energy, into electrical energy? Which converts? Yes, converts mechanical into electrical. Mechanical into electrical, that is generator, right? You may have seen right, so you may have seen in the marriage functions or somewhere in the somewhere that is outside the building and all, right? So generators will be there, so they convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay, got it? Ha, very good. Yes, electricity it will produce. Okay, so 25th question. An instrument which is used to by the doctor to hear the analyze heart and lungs is known as what? Stethoscope. So that is option C, stethoscope. Okay, very good. So next question, 26th one. So which instrument is used to measure the intensity of earthquake? Yes, seismograph. That is option A, seismograph. Got it? Very good. So next question is what? Which is used to measure the magnetic flux? Magnetic flux means magnet will be there, right? Magnet. If this is magnet, it will be leaving what? That is magnetic, right? So that is, we say it as magnetic flux. So what do we use to measure the magnetic flux? Huh? Okay, good, very good. Huh. Okay, So that is okay. So flux meter, what do we use?
Flux meter, sir.
So if you go with the options, it will be very easy, right? So if you don't know also, you can go hydrometer, that is not answer. Hygrometer is humidity, right? And then fathometer is depth of the ocean. Then flux meter will be the answer. Okay, got it? Good, good. So next 28th one. So what is the question here? Which 28th is which device is used to boiling the point of the liquid? Okay, so be silent, switch off the mic. Okay, so 28th is which is used to determine the boiling point of the liquid? Hypsometer, tachometer, spirometer and cryometer. So what will be the answer here? Tell me. Yes, switch on the mic.
Dynamometer.
Okay. Hyps hypsometer. What? Hypsometer. What it is? Hypsometer. Okay. Good. Ha.
Hexameter, sir.
No, no, no. Hypsometer is wrong. Okay. So that is
Cryometer.
okay. Wait, wait. Boiling point of water, right?
Sir, the picture is not clear. It is so blurred, sir.
Is it? Okay.
Sir, it's cryometer. Sir, it is so blurred, sir. Hydrometer is correct.
Sir, we cannot hear
Huh?
him.
Sir, your voice is
The
breaking.
28th one is cryometer.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is
Sir, 29th is
spirometer,
loudspeaker.
tachometer, spirometer. So we'll go with the options. Okay, it will be easy. We'll go with the options. Okay, good. So if you see, hypsometer is different, beta. Hypsometer is okay. So hypsometer is the
Instrument boiling point of
instrument.
liquid,
So
sir.
it is height, above the height, how much height it is, or the elevation. We say it as elevation, right? How much height above you are. Tachometer, why do we use tachometer? hmm?
Sir,
So it is used to measure the rotation speed. Okay, rotation speed, understand? Next is spirometer. Why do we use spirometer?
Boiling points of liquid, sir.
Okay.
Boiling points of liquid, sir.
No, 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 no. So it is used to measure the thickness. Okay, no, no, no. Thickness, to measure the thickness. Spirometer is used to measure the thickness of the glass or anything. Okay, thickness means how much thick it is. Cryometer, will it be the answer? Yes.
Boiling point of liquid.
Ha.
Cryometer. Sir, it's
Yes.
measure of low temperature of objects, sir.
Okay, so this is cryometer will be the answer here. Okay, this is related to measure heat, that is measure the temperature. Okay, this cryometer will be the answer, that
Yes,
is
sir.
28th will be the option D. Understand? Cryometer. Got it? Good. Next is 29th. Which device converts electrical energy into sound energy?
Sir, it is so blurred, sir. I
Hmm?
can't see anything.
Okay.
Loud
Good.
speaker. Sir, I can't
Loudspeaker,
see
right?
anything, sir.
Okay,
It is
okay,
so
fine, fine,
blurred.
fine. Okay, fine, fine, fine. You may be facing a internet issue, beta. Is it visible to everyone? Tell me. Yes.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clearly visible?
Sir, I can't see the screen.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, let's go to the next question now. Which device, 29th, right? Which device converts electrical energy into sound?
Okay,
Which
sir.
it converts? Loudspeaker. Speaker will be there, right?
Loudspeaker.
So speaker that converts what? Electric energy into your sound. We are hearing, isn't it? Good. Next is 30th question. So what is the 30th question? Which among the following converts chemical energy into electrical energy? So battery, that is battery. Inside the battery, what it will be there? There will be acids, right? Chemicals will be there. Lithium ion battery, that is acids will be there. Those will be converted into what? Tell me.
Electrical energy.
Electrical energy. Okay,
Energy.
good. So battery. Next is 31st. Dash regulates the temperature at a particular point. What regulates? Thermostat. What regulates?
Thermostat.
Thermostat. We have seen, right? Good. Next is 32nd question. So what is 32nd question? Sonometer can be used to determine what? Why do we use sonometer?
Sir, you can show the 31 question
Hmm?
again.
Okay, see here, 31st question, see. Okay. Sonometer. Why do you use sonometer?
Um, 30 notes.
Sir, pitch.
Option D.
So sonometer is used to measure the nodes, pitch, anti-nodes, the frequency of tuning fork. None of the above. Pitch means sound. Pitch means, you may have heard, pitch means sound. Okay, so it is used to measure the pitch. Okay.
Your voice is echoing, sir.
Okay, fine. I will switch off the mic. Listen. So sonometer, we have seen audiometer, right? That is sonar. You may have heard of sonar in the ship. So it is pitch. That is the sound. Pitch is the sound. Okay. So it is used to measure. Sonometer is used to measure the what? Pitch. So that is option B here. Got it? Any doubt here? Okay, so 33rd question. What is the 33rd question here? We missed it, huh? Okay. Hmm. So 33rd question.
Sir, I know. Sir, can I say, sir?
Yes. What is the 33rd question? Read it.
Scientific instruments used
Hmm.
to measure heading, sir.
Huh.
First one,
So,
anemometer. Second
huh.
one, ammeter. Third one, tachometer. Fourth one, pyrometer. Used
Huh.
to measure. They used to measure speed of rotation, high
Huh.
temperature, wind
Huh.
The
speed,
answer is B.
electrical current.
Okay. Pyrometer. Okay. So here option A is speed of rotation. Speed. Okay. Second is high temperature.
High
Right.
temperature.
High
So the
temperature.
answer
And
is
third is,
C.
okay, fine, wind speed, right? Wind speed. And fourth is current, right?
Electrical current.
Electric current. I am writing current. So anemometer, first one is anemometer. Why do we use anemometer? First one, to measure the speed of the wind or speed or rotation. Okay, right? So option 1 will be 1. Okay. Second, ammeter. Why do we use ammeter? To measure the current.
So there's
So
no
2 will be
option 1,
4.
sir. Option 1 is 3.
Okay, wind speed. Okay, that is option C. Option third, right? That is anemometer is here. Good, very good. So third one. Okay, good. That is wind speed is there, right? Here, speed or rotation here. This you change it to speed and rotation. First one. Okay,
So 3 is
speed
1.
or
3
rotation.
is speed of 1.
Okay, good. So here 1 is 3, 2 is 4. So which is the option? 1 is 3 and 2 is 4. Here option is
Option B,
B.
sir.
So that is third one. If you can directly do like this. Tachometer. Why do we use tachometer? First, speed on rotation. Okay, that is speed of rotation. Speed of rotation, right? Speed of rotation or rotation speed we use tachometer. And why do we use pyrometer? To measure the high temperature. That is second one. Understand? Good. So next 34th question. So what is the 34th question? Which device is used to measure the speed of vehicle? Speedometer. Very good. Option B. Good. Next is 35th question. So what is the question here? A vehicle capable of traveling over land and water is called what? Hovercraft. What do we call?
Hovercraft.
Hovercraft. Okay. Traveling on land and water. So it will be like this. Okay. It will be like this, and then there will be vehicle, that is above that ship will be there. Hovercraft. What do we call? Hovercraft. Okay. That will also run on water and also on land. That is the surface. Okay. Earth surface. Understand? So that is what is hovercraft. Okay, good. So next is 36th question. Is it? I will come to that. Okay, 36th now. What is the used to measure the heat radiation? What you use? Altimeter, audiometer, bolometer, chromometer. What do we use? Altimeter, altitude, altitude. So not possible. Audiometer, sound, right? Bolometer and chronometer. So what do we use bolometer for? Tell me. Huh. Is it? So
For heat,
heat.
sir.
Yes. So radiant heat. That is we used to measure the radiant heat. So answer will be option C, bolometer. Okay. Now next is chronometer. Why do we use chronometer? Yes. Huh? There is no such thing as chronometer, right? Is it?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Huh.
sir.
So there is no such thing as chronometer.
Sir, accurate.
So it is chronometer, it is a watch. Okay, it is a watch. Chronometer watch, if you say, it will be fine. Chronometer is a accurate measuring watch. Okay, accurate watch,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
So bolometer is the radiant heat. So option will be option C, radiant heat or heat radiation. So option is option C. Understood? Any doubt for anyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me,
No.
sir.
Okay, be silent.
No,
Be
sir.
silent. Everyone be silent. Someone is telling the doubt. Let me clarify that. Yes. So who has doubt? Tell me.
Sir, chronometer is also an instrument to measure time, sir.
Yes, that is time watch. Okay, good. Next.
Sir, in the
Accurate time, sir.
26th question, sir.
Huh? Which question, beta?
Sir, 26.
Huh?
Sir, you said uh, speedometer is for um, uh, measuring any.
Speed.
Uh,
Right? Speedometer is
sir,
for speed. So 26th
speedometer.
is to measure the earthquake,
Speed of
beta.
vehicle.
Yes,
Sir,
to measure the speed of the vehicle. Right?
sir, no, sir.
Don't speak in between. Everyone be silent. Don't speak in between.
Sir, the
Who has doubt,
D1.
they only should. Hello, beta.
Sir, the D1.
D1 26 spirometer. It is spirometer, right?
Yes, sir.
Spirometer is, I think it is used to measure the radius of sphere. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
I have a doubt.
Hmm. So if sphere means there is a ball, let's consider ball is also a sphere. If you want to measure the that is what is that, radius or the thickness? Thickness means that is
Excuse me, sir.
the diameter. Okay, if you want to measure the diameter, we use spherometer. Okay, so
Okay,
this
sir.
Sir,
D. Hmm.
speedometer is
Sir, I have a doubt.
that is used for precise measurements of radius of curvature
Okay,
of
okay, fine, fine, fine. That is radius or diameter. I told right. Fine, that is the thickness. Both are same. Enough. So next, any doubt? Tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt.
What?
Sir, in the 25th question,
Array,
the B1.
25th. Ah.
Yes, sir, the B1.
Sphygmomanometer is used to measure the blood pressure BP. Right? Beam sphygmomanometer. Next.
Sir, how
Doubt?
many questions will you do?
Done, done. Completed. Right? Any doubt?
Sir, students' homework.
No, sir.
Okay. So today's homework will be you have to write these questions down. Write the question and the direct answer. If you take 25th question, write this question and the answer, that is stethoscope, like that, direct answer, not the options. Okay. So it will be a practice, or read it. Better you read it 2 to 3 times. Will you read it or write one time? Tell me.
Sir, write one time.
If
Read
you
it.
read it, you have to read it 3 4 times, and it is request to the parents to make them read. Okay, and write it also one time. It will be practice for you. Okay, got it?
Sir, please
Good.
send the PDF. Sir, I don't have that book.
Okay, I will send beta. Don't worry. I will send the PDF. Okay, good. So everyone has to tell the attendance now. Yes, very good. Okay, I will take the attendance. Fine. Hmm. So what happened? It is black.
On the
Fine.
camera, sir.
Okay, good. So everyone, thank you for watching and subscribe to our Azurite classes. Thank you.